Hi. The next sounds are the k and the g. These k and a g. Now, how do we make those sounds? Well, you open your mouth, and when you open your mouth, your tongue will go back. And then you bring the tongue forward and make a sound. So, open your mouth, and then forward, k, 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 k. Now, the k is with the air. You can feel the air. And then the g is back here. So you're not making the forward sound so much. You're concentrating on your throat. G, g. Right? So that's these sounds. And we've got two words here, cot and got. Cot, air here, cot. And here, got, got. Cot, got, got. Try that and see how you go with that one. But as I've said before, there's practice sessions in future lessons.